So men, this is for you, how to appreciate your wife. Women do so much to keep the home front running. Here are some ways that you can show your wife that you genuinely appreciate her. 1. Express gratitude. Take the time to express gratitude for the things she does for you and the family. They could be very little things: cooking dinner, doing laundry, taking care of the kids, cleaning the house. Appreciate her even for the littlest things. 2. Show affection. Show your wife affection through physical touch. Hug her, kiss her, hold her, cuddle her, whatever it is, play with her. 3. Listen attentively. When your wife is speaking to you, make sure you're actively listening and engaging with her. Show interest in what she has to say and respond in a thoughtful and supportive way. 4. Celebrate her achievements. Whether it's a big promotion at work or completing a difficult task, celebrate your wife's achievement and let her know how proud you are of her. 5. Take care of your wife. Take care of her when she's feeling sick or overwhelmed. Bring her soup, bring her food, run errands for her, take care of her and the children to give her a break. 6. Surprise your wife. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures such as flowers, gifts, or a date night. Remember, appreciation is not a one-time event, but a continuous effort to show your wife how much she really, really means to you.